Sure, here's a natural, cinematic YouTube video script for your channel TechForce Arena, about the F-35 Lightning II, written in Australian English, about 1,100 words, no headings, just the narration flow. Welcome to TechForce Arena, mates. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced and deadliest fighter jets ever built, the F-35 Lightning II. This isn't just another piece of military hardware. It's a symbol of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology that's reshaping how modern air warfare is fought across the globe. Now, the F-35 Lightning II isn't just a single aircraft. It's a family of stealth multi-role fighters built to dominate in the air, strike targets on the ground, and even act as an intelligence and command platform, all in one. Designed by Lockheed Martin for the United States and its allies, the F-35 program has become one of the most ambitious and expensive defense projects in history. But the results? Absolutely breathtaking. Let's start with what makes the F-35 truly special: stealth. Its sleek, angular design isn't just for show. Every line, every surface is carefully engineered to scatter and absorb radar waves, making it almost invisible to enemy radar systems. Even its exhaust nozzle and weapons bays are built to minimize its radar signature. When it's up there in the sky, you don't see it coming until it's far too late. That's the kind of edge modern air forces dream of. Now, the F-35 actually comes in three main versions: the F-35A, the F-35B, and the F-35C. The F-35A is the standard takeoff and landing model used by the US Air Force and countries like Australia. The F-35B has vertical takeoff and landing capability, which means it can operate from short runways or even aircraft carriers without catapults. And the F-35C is the carrier-based variant, built tougher for the US Navy with larger wings and landing gear for deck operations. Australia operates the F-35A variant, and let me tell you, this jet has completely changed the Royal Australian Air Force's game. It's replacing the old FA-18 Hornets and bringing fifth-generation capability right into our region. With it, the RAAF now has unmatched reach, stealth, and situational awareness in the Indo-Pacific. Speaking of awareness, that's another key word when we talk about the F-35. Its advanced sensor fusion technology allows pilots to see the entire battlespace in real time. Data from radar, infrared sensors, cameras, and even other aircraft is merged into one easy-to-read picture on the pilot's display. Imagine being able to detect enemy aircraft hundreds of kilometers away, track them automatically, and choose the best engagement strategy, all before the enemy even knows you're there. That's what the F-35 offers. The helmet system deserves a special mention here. It's not a regular helmet, it's a piece of tech wizardry worth over $400,000. It projects all flight and combat information right onto the pilot's visor, effectively turning it into a 360-degree display. Cameras around the aircraft feed live imagery straight into the helmet, so the pilot can literally look through the jet, down, behind, or to the side, as if the aircraft were transparent. It's like something straight out of science fiction. Under the hood, the F-35 is powered by a Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, the most powerful jet engine ever installed in a fighter. It produces over 43,000 pounds of thrust, enough to push this beast past Mach 1.6. And despite its stealthy design, it's got superb agility, thanks to advanced flight control systems and perfectly balanced aerodynamics. Weaponry. Well, that's where things get even more interesting. The F-35 carries its weapons internally to maintain stealth, typically 2 air-to-air missiles and 2 guided bombs in its internal bays. But if stealth isn't required, it can also mount additional missiles and bombs under its wings in what's called beast mode. In that configuration, it can carry up to 22,000 pounds of ordnance. That's a serious punch. But here's where the F-35 really stands apart. It's not just a fighter jet, it's a flying data center. Every second it's in the air, it collects, analyses, and shares massive amounts of information with other aircraft, ground units, and ships. This network warfare capability allows allied forces to coordinate attacks, share targeting data, and operate as a single, unified system. In today's complex battlefields, information dominance can be more important than sheer firepower, and the F-35 delivers both. Now, let's talk about the Australian connection. The first F-35A arrived in Australia in December 2018, and since then, the fleet has been steadily growing. The RAAF plans to operate 72 F-35s based at Williamtown and Tyndall. Australian pilots describe flying it as unlike anything else: smooth, intuitive, and incredibly smart. It's not just about pressing buttons, it's about working with an aircraft that almost thinks with you. There's also a huge industrial and technological benefit. Australian companies are deeply involved in the F-35 program, producing components and providing maintenance and support. That means jobs, innovation, and a spot for Australia at the heart of the world's most advanced aerospace network. Of course, the F-35 hasn't been without controversy. The program's massive cost, complex development, and occasional technical hiccups have made headlines. Some critics called it too expensive, too ambitious. But as the aircraft matured, its performance has silenced many doubts. Nations that once questioned it are now eager to join the program. And as pilots put it, once you fly it, there's no going back. What makes the F-35 a real game changer is how it fits into future warfare. It's built not just for today's battles, but for tomorrow's. With software upgrades, it's constantly evolving. New weapons, new sensors, and even AI-based mission assistance are being added over time. Think of it like a smartphone, but one that can shoot down enemy fighters and strike targets hundreds of kilometers away. For Australia, the F-35 means more than just modernizing the Air Force. It means ensuring that our skies stay secure, our region remains stable, and our defense forces have the best tools in the world. It's a powerful statement of partnership with allies like the United States, the UK, and Japan, all operating the same jet, sharing intelligence, and training together. When you see the F-35 slicing through the clouds, it's not just a machine, it's the future of air combat made real. A combination of stealth, speed, brains, and brawn that puts it generations ahead of most rivals. Whether it's a strike mission deep behind enemy lines or air defense over Australian territory, the F-35 is built to win, every time. So next time you hear that low thunder rolling across the sky, look up. It might just be the Lightning II, a symbol of innovation, dominance, and the next era of aviation excellence. Thanks for watching, mates. If you enjoyed learning about the F-35 Lightning II, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to TechForce Arena, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of military tech and aerospace engineering. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sky and your engines roaring. Cheers.